I wake up early in the morning. I hit the snooze button a few times. I finally get out of bed. I stretch and yawn. I make my bed. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I get dressed. I make breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee or tea or juice. I check my emails. I plan my day. I go to work. I commute by car. I attend classes. I work on projects. I talk to colleagues or classmates. I have lunch. I take a break. I answer emails or questions. I learn new things. I finish my work or studies. I leave work. I go home. I run errands. I go grocery shopping. I prepare dinner. I eat dinner with my family. I relax and unwind. I watch TV or movies. I read a book. I listen to music. I spend time with family or friends. I play games. I exercise. I work on my hobbies. I take my dog for a walk. I get ready for bed. I put on my pajamas. I read in bed. I check my phone one last time. I set my alarm. I turn off the lights. I go to sleep. I dream. I do some light stretching before getting out of bed. I listen to the news while I get ready. I pack my lunch for work or school. I iron my clothes. I put on my shoes. I say goodbye to my family. I start my car. I listen to music or podcasts on my commute. I plan my to-do list for the day. I collaborate with my team on projects. I give presentations. I learn new skills. I network with people in my field. I attend conferences or workshops. I go out for lunch with colleagues or friends. I catch up with friends online. I spend time on social media. I call my family or friends. I volunteer in my community. I cook a new recipe. I bake a cake or cookies. I try a new restaurant. I go to the gym. I practice yoga or meditation. I play sports. I paint when I stay at home. I work on my garden. I play video games. I watch a movie with my family. I take a warm bath. I read a chapter of my book. I journal my thoughts and feelings. I reflect on my day. I set goals for tomorrow. I spend some quiet time. I listen to calming music. I say my prayers. I cuddle with my pet. I drift off to sleep. I sleep in on weekends. I go for a hike or walk in the nature. I visit family on weekends. I go to a school. I celebrate birthdays. I travel to new places. I try new shoes. I relax and recharge. I spend quality time with loved ones. I make memories. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.